Hey there, the question says a trader offers two successive discounts on the mark price of an item. The second discount percentage is exactly double the first. Together, they amount to a single equivalent discount of 28%. Find the first discount percentage. Okay, so if overall discount is 28%, I can assume one thing. Let's say the mark price was 100. Now you might be thinking, why not 100x? Why not some kind of arbitrary any random variable? That's because the question doesn't give us any constant value, right? Neither the mark price nor the profit, anything, discount, etc. in absolute value is not given to us. So whenever you do not find any absolute value and get only the relative values are percentages and ratios. In that case, you can just assume the constants and majorly 100 because we're dealing with percentages. So I'm assuming mark price to be 100. If that is the case, then what happens? The first discount is, let's say, d%. So something decreases by d%, it will be 1 minus d by 100 times of itself. And second time, it again decreases by 2d% because second discount is twice of the first discount. This is what I'll get. Now this will be, so the decreased value overall, the decrease is 28%. So 100 if decreased by 28%, what remains? Only 72. So this is the exact equation that we need to solve out. Okay, so let's expand it. 100 minus d upon 100. And here I have 100 minus 2d upon 100. That is equal to 72. As you see, 100 gets cancelled out and this 100 I'll send it to the right hand side. So what I'll get? I'll get 100 minus d multiplied by 100 minus 2d should be equal to 7200. Let's open the brackets now. I'll get 2d squared minus 300d plus 10,000, and bringing back 7200 on the left hand side becomes minus 7200 equal to 0. So let's divide whole thing by 2. Okay, I'll get d squared minus 150d, and this is 2800. Half of it is 1400. This is equal to 0. I told you how to solve this earlier also. So d can be broken down as minus 140 and minus 10. So that the product of these two is equal to the product of 1400 and 1. 1 is the coefficient of d square. Once you do that, reverse the signs. All right, and then divide by the coefficient of d square. So this is what I'm getting, 140 and 10. Now, it is impossible that discount should be greater than 100%. Otherwise, things will become free. So we'll eliminate 140 and choose 10. Our answer is 10% over here. This is very important. That is logical. That discount can never be more than 100%. Like if someone wants to give more than 100%, they can, but in that case, they will have to pay back the customers. Thank you.